APYs on the new Maiar Exchange are crazy right now. So, if you don't want to miss these gains, listen to my strategy. What's up guys? I'm Day. In this video, I will show you guys a step-by-step guide to the strategy I'm currently using on the Maiar Exchange. Up to today, APR and APYs are insane, and we're talking about crazy numbers. Please remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you what I will do in the next future. But first, what is the Maiar Exchange? The Maiar Exchange is a DEX, a decentralized exchange, running on the Elrond network and built on the Elrond blockchain. On this exchange, we can do a lot of operations. But firstly, you have to connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet via the Maiar app, and that's what I'm using right now, the Ledger or the Elrond wallet. On this tab, you can trade tokens. So for example, we can trade eGold with Max and USDC. We can trade Max only with eGold and we can trade USDC only with eGold. Here we have the liquidity tab and these are the active pools. The active pools are eGold and Max and eGold and USDC. And as you can see here, the APIs are insane right now. On this tab, you can add the liquidity and you have to remember that the pools are 50-50. So you have to put the exact same amount of both tokens. So for example, 50% of eGold and 50% of USDC. You add liquidity to receive LP tokens. And the majority of your gains will come from farming with LP tokens. By themselves, liquidity pools give you 0.25% of all trades on the selected pairs, proportional to your share of the pool. Then you can add your LP tokens in the farms. So for example, if you want to add the eGold Max LP tokens, you have to go here and then you can stake your LP tokens in the farm. The majority of your earnings are gained from the farms. Keep in mind that the liquidity pools are subjected to impermanent loss. So please study the topic before investing your money in liquidity pools. If you want to enter in this world and to start farming on the Maiar Exchange, you can download the Maiar app and you can use my referral link to support the channel. On this website, link in the description, you can find the strategies that many users have collected and they wish to use. My first strategy starts with a modified version of the Houston strategy. I participated in the airdrop, so I have some locked max in my wallet already. My idea is to stake the eGold and locked max in the pool and lock the rewards to receive 2x rewards. In addition to that, I created a eGold max pool with locked rewards as well, in order to increase as much as possible my locked max wallet. My idea is to stake the locked max in the max farms and every 72 hours restake the locked max in the eGold locked max pool. This is possible because both pools produce locked max, and once I collected a sufficient amount of locked max, I can restake those locked max by taking some eGold from the eGold max pool or swapping some max from the eGold max pool into eGold and stake those eGold with the locked max gained from the rewards. At the end, only a big eGold locked max pool will remain. At that point, my plan is to switch to the Denver strategy. I exploited as much as possible the 2x rewards. It is time to divide my eGold locked max pool into two parts. The 33% is staked with 2x rewards, so it's producing locked max. The other 66% is producing max. Because the locked pools produce 2x rewards, they are producing the exact same amount of rewards. The plan is then to swap the max rewards into eGold and restake eGold and locked max in the pool, increasing the size of the pool. Now I will show you how to operate on the Maiar DEX. But firstly, if you're enjoying my content, give me a like and subscribe. Connect the wallet to the exchange. In this case, I'm using the Maiar app. If you do not have Max, you have to swap your eGold with Max. Remember that the pool is composed by a 50% of eGold and 50% of Max, so you have to stake the exact same amount of both coins. The same applies to eGold USDC pool. Then add your coins in the pool here, confirm the transactions, and you will receive LP tokens that you can put into farms to receive more rewards. In the farms, you can lock your rewards to double the gains. On the other hand, your rewards will be swappable with other coins on the Maiar Exchange only when unlocked. And this is the unlock schedule. So you will have to wait some months before being able to swap your locked Max with eGold or with USDC. So I created two pools, one with eGold and Max and one with eGold and locked Max. And my goal is to farm as much locked Max as possible by staking the rewards into the Max farm and restaking the earned locked Max with eGold in this pool. At some point, my eGold will be staked with locked Max, and at that point I will use the Denver strategy as I explained before. The compounding capabilities of this strategy are great in my opinion. So guys, this is the strategy. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.